Guys, I don't think the public is prepared for what I am about to show them today. Guys, I've told you before, I am gonna say it again. I am just gonna keep victory lapping like crazy over here. We are doing something in the Less Trades More Profits community that the trading community and the investing community has literally never seen before. I am gonna keep doing this for everybody. Oh my god, I can't even begin to describe. Should we just start going through them? I think it's gonna be ridiculous. So, team, again, smack that like on the way in, share the stream with a friend. I mean, this is the best kept secret on YouTube here, ladies and gentlemen. Nobody else is handing out gains like this. We have today our 7th 10x trade in the last week, our 17th in the last 2 months. Now, this trade in particular isn't just a 10x trade, isn't just a 20x trade, it is a 30x your initial investment trade. So let's go through some of the gains over here and kind of go through some of them. They're just ridiculous here. We have 971% on Intel that I outlined over the last few weeks for you guys here. 295% Palantir. I mean, this is the big one right here. I posted it on Twitter. I posted it on my Instagram stories and the broadcast channel. Here's the, okay, it's not even 30 times your money. It's 35 times your money. 3,500% on Intel. These are the types of trades, guys, that make your entire year. I keep telling you guys, LTMP is the absolute best place in the entire world, the entire internet to come and learn how to operate in the market and completely change your trading performance for the better. I am just going to keep doing this. Prices are going up at the end of the month here, guys. Lock in the lower rate. Use code September to get 50% off your first month. Oh my god, and we got some other epic trades here cooking too. Coin on an absolute ripper here off of that breakout at 333.60 here. For those of you guys that took Palantir, I mean, I wasn't really all that interested in that one this morning after kind of the aggression that it showed on that 5-minute opening range. But that was another one that people were able to nail. I mean, APOC over there really sized it for zero, 295%. And we've got IBM absolutely ripping for us over here as well. Again, guys, there are too many gain screenshots to count at this point. This is getting absolutely ridiculous. It is literally, nobody else in the market is doing anything even close to what we are doing in LTMP. If they could, they would. Is coin a setup? Coin is already a setup. I already outlined that for you guys here. 333.60 was the break. And it's crushing, guys. It is crushing. So, guys, no slackers on the like button. We are going to have some fun today in the market. The market is digesting FOMC here. And, again, the LTMP group is making stupid amounts of money as usual. Also, ready? Okay, here's the other one. Do you guys remember I was like just now, I was like, it wasn't a 10x trade, wasn't a 20x, wasn't even a 30x trade. I got a message from Daniel this morning over here off of this IONQ trade. So this is probably one of the best trades. Alfie over here ended up calling this out in the group there, ended up bringing our attention to it. Attaboy Alfie. This is an absolutely nasty setup here. If you held this one, it's a 1 to 12 risk to reward on the shares. But if you take a look at what the options were, let me kind of go back and take a look at what Daniel was talking about here in the screenshot. That is, oh my God, guys, 5,058%. That's every $1,000 into 50,000. I think he said it was like 20 bucks into 2,000, maybe more. I don't know. It's, guys, I don't know how many more of these you guys need to see. I seriously don't. I'm gonna throw the link to LTMP in the live chat here for you guys. Again, here you guys go. I don't know how many more of these you guys are gonna miss. The only question that you need to be asking yourself at this point is not whether or not LTMP works, because it is so blaringly obvious that this is the best way to operate in the market. The question is, how many more of these are you going to actively choose to miss? So I'm actually having a really good day here too. IBMs are up 22%. We got coins up 30%. Again, I'm trading small, but the gains are still solid, ladies and gentlemen. Again, no slackers on the like button today. I'm not gonna have it. Everybody, we got 65 of you guys in here right now. I want to see 65 likes on the stream. Keep smacking that like on the way in. There is nobody else that is even coming remotely close to what we have done in LTMP this year. Again, this is just unbelievable seeing your guys' results every single day. It's just going to keep happening, guys. I am so proud of each and every one of you guys that has taken that step. We also have QS over here moving nicely. There's too many. There's too many good trades that we've nailed. Too many. Oh, I love it. So, market ripping back up here a little bit off of that initial sell-off. IBM looking good. Again, share the stream. This is just ridiculous. Who else is doing this? Who else? You think those TikTok kids can do this? I'm gonna get a little feisty today. You think these, excuse my language, dumbasses on TikTok could do this? Oh my God, we haven't even talked about Novo. We haven't even talked about Novo. I got distracted by the life-changing gains that were handed out already. Novo over here. This is another mid to long-term investment idea that I shared to the group a few months ago. We had our initial entries back down in here. It was like 60, no, it was right here. 62, I think, 62.50. Ended up hitting it a lot bigger down in here. The research report has been right in front of you guys for Novo the entire time here as well. I have 1,000 shares in the 54s. The stock is now trading at 62. So decent start on this one. Really, really happy with the performance so far on this idea. And that also means that now every single mid to long-term position trade idea that I've given you guys over the last 2 years is wildly in the green. We had Palantir in the teens, Hood in the teens, SoFi at 655, Philip Morris at 95. The average on my Novo is what? 50 in the 54s. We had Nio at 455, RKT. There's just too many to count. There is too many to count, guys. What are we doing? What are we doing? This is Coin, new highs. IBM, new highs. IONQ, 5,000%. Intel, 3,500%, guys. These are life-changing gains. Life-changing. I'm going to get a little fired up here. I don't know. My whole goal is to help you guys. People are not going to like the way that I operate these streams. Here's the thing. Excuse my language. Screw them. What do I care? You're not going to like that I talk about the life-changing gains that happen all the time? What do I care? Hood, PM, RKT, Palantir. We're 15 likes away from 50. This stream should have 1,000 likes on it. 1,000. 10,000 likes on the stream for the amount of epic trades that I give out. Nobody else is doing this, guys. Nobody. Let's see. Coin giving it back a little bit here. We'll see what happens with that. IBM still looking phenomenal over here. Coin's obviously going to be a volatile one with Bitcoin, but that's still looking really good here. Market kind of giving it back here a little bit at the highs, just coming up and trying to get close to that level there. We'll see what we get. Again, like I was telling you guys in the pre-market plan, in the private live stream this morning with LTMP, anything that I take this week, really, really, really small. Up $11,000 on Novo shares and 20% on IBM. Cody, great work. Great work, guys. Great work. This is what it's all about. It really is. This is what it's all about here, guys. The victory lapping is never going to stop. You don't like it? Too bad. Too bad. Let's see what we got here. How's Nio doing today? Any tickers that you guys want me to cover, just let me know. That's what I'm here for. Nio. That's good. I mean, I only own like 4,000 shares of this thing at 455, so like not a big position, but treating it like an option. If this thing goes to 10, 20, I mean, that'd be fun. You know? That'd be pretty fun. Sergio goes, SCB is the best. Every trade I get in, I make money. I do this while I'm at work. Please pay attention or pay premium. Love it, buddy. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. That's the truth, man. Nobody else is doing this. We're just going to keep showing you guys the best way to make money in the market. I don't care if there's one viewer on the stream or 50,000. Open? What's up with open? It's setting up there. That's setting up there. Yeah, Nio looks good. Novo top price. Okay, so this is the other thing you guys got to realize too about when I hand out these mid to long-term investment ideas. There is no target. I don't have targets. I don't like price targets. I think that analysts that give out price target. Okay, so this is my thing about analysts and price targets. I think here's the thing: if you wanna be an analyst and give out price targets, here's what you have to do. You then also have to buy options on it. You got to put your money where your mouth is. You know. Because they can just say things. Like, if you look at analyst performance over time, it's horrific. You can look at it. I think it's on, like, tip ranks, right? They're terrible. So what you should be in the market is thesis-driven. And I talk about that a lot. Like, we've talked about this time and time again with Philip Morris. And the thesis kind of breaker or shifter with it recently with the first, like, year-over-year decline in Zen shipments coming into the United States. That's the time to be trimming that position because that was what the whole thesis was based off of. You know? I actually have very funny conversations too with people. And they're like, oh, the analysts have a price target of this. And my response every single time, these are people I have, let's just say, very good relationships with that are very good at this. They'll call me and we'll talk about stocks and stuff. And they'll be like, oh, but this analyst has this price target on it. And my response every single time is, F them. I don't care. Screw him. It's just some dude sitting at a computer. Why is he so special? He's not. You know who I trust? Me. IBM looking really good over here, making new highs. Coin still looks good at the highs. I mean, guys, this is just, it's like 3,000% gains. Are you kidding me? 5,000% gains? Are you kidding me right now? Seriously? Coin might get to 340 today. Yeah, I'm up nicely on the day, guys. Having a good day. Making money with LTMP. If you're not in there yet, the price is going to go up on you. I'm fine with having you pay a higher price when you finally just realize that I'm just going to keep calling out multi-1,000% gain trades. It's fine. But you guys all have the opportunity to get 50% off your first month now and lock in the lower rate. So let's see what we get today, folks. I mean, this is magic here. This is something special that nobody's ever seen before. Nobody has seen this, and they're never going to see it again. So we'll see if coin works. I like the Bitcoin chart. I think this one could be a very fun one if it wants to get going here. IBM looks phenomenal. We've nailed IBM a couple of times in the past. I think this could be another really good one for us here too. Where is I want to check back in on QS because that's a volatile one. Yeah, there goes QS again. So QS is looking really good here. We are 11 likes away from 50. That's crazy. The stream should have 1,000 likes on it, but it's okay. It's okay. I get it. They look at me and they're like, he must be lying. There must be something out there that this dude is doing on the internet. He must be lying to everybody. There's no way that he's called out 7 10x trades in the last week and 17 of them in the last 2 months. He must be lying to everybody. Those people are wrong. I'm having fun today, guys. It's going to be a good victory lapping day. So, in general, though, let's talk a little bit about kind of the market digestion with FOMC from yesterday. We kind of got everything that we expected. Now, the one interesting thing that is starting to occur is yields are up. Now, this is something that I want everybody to understand, so pay attention. Just because the Federal Reserve is cutting rates does not mean that the 10-year Treasury or Treasury yields in general are going to go down. What the 10-year is going to move based on is future projections. Now, leading into this first rate cut, we were obviously pricing in that rate cut, which is why yields were moving to the downside. Now that we've gotten the first rate cut and we kind of got everything that the overall market was just expecting in general, what the market is going to be looking for now is how are the economic conditions going to fare in the United States moving forward? If we start to see weaker economic conditions, like let's say more downward revisions in the jobs numbers, we see unemployment ticking to the upside, inflation moving down, maybe we see growth slowing down a little bit, then yeah, yields will start to move down. But this is very similar to that, probably the best bond call that I've ever made. About a year ago at this time, where Powell cuts on this day here, first cut, or the Fed cuts on this day right here, Wednesday, September 18th, and I made the call that the yields were bottoming on the day before. The reason for that is very similar to what we were talking about just now, in the sense that the market in general was already pricing in a wildly over-aggressive amount of rate cuts coming basically through then into the end of this year. Now, in order for bond yields to continue lower and bond prices to continue higher, remember, it's based on future expectations. So those future expectations for the United States economy would have had to continuously move lower. GDP slowing, inflation moving down, and unemployment moving to the upside, which didn't necessarily look like that was going to happen. Is it possible? Yes, but the market had already kind of priced that in. So the trade on that was actually going the other way because the pendulum swung so far in the other direction. So that, I think, is a point of confusion for a lot of people today. They're like, oh, the Fed cut rates. Why aren't yields tanking? And it's like, well, that's not necessarily how they work or how they move, you know? And that's why a lot of people that were coming out and talking about open and saying, oh, the Fed is cutting rates, that is why the stock is going to continue up. Well, open is already up from $1 to, like, I don't know, $9 or $10. So even if that was the case, think about what I just said about the market pricing in things. Well, that's already priced into open share price. And then if it's like, oh, then if your argument is, well, mortgage rates are going to come down, well, then mortgage rates are going to be based off the 10-year treasury anyway, or they're going to be kind of linked to the 10-year treasury. So if the 10-year treasury is going to go back up, which is likely after these types of moves, well, then that's not a really good thesis to be long open. The only thesis right now that you can really have to be long open is just retail sentiment and hype. That's it. This whole new CEO thing where it's like, they literally brought back the people that like put them in the bad position in the first place. It's like, okay, we'll see how it goes. It could work, it could not. But at the end of the day, what I know for a fact on open is that way more people are going to end up getting burned on it than are actually going to make money. You know, it's just how it works in the space. Like if open were to start really ripping right now, people would just start buying it at the highs after it's already up like 1,000%. Is that a smart thing to do? No. Could they make money on it if they sold at the right time? They could, but the problem is a lot of people out there, most people out there are going to be talking about it in the sense that it's going to go to like 100 or something. Let's say it goes to 60. It doesn't get to those targets. Then it starts dropping to 40 there. Everybody starts screaming buy the dip, but the dip doesn't get, the dip just keeps going. Then you're at 20 again. Oops, rug pull. And that's what's most likely going to happen from just a statistical probability perspective. So that's why I kind of come out here and it's like, well, if we have the ability with LTMP, like that Intel trade that you guys nailed today, the gains on that 3,500%, that's 35 times your initial investment. Nice. That's our 7th 10x trade in the last week. Or Baidu 2,000% this week, 1,000% on Tesla this week. We've got IBM cooking, we've got coin cooking. If every single trade idea that I outlined for you guys from a very, very simple approach to the market has the potential to run multi-hundreds or multi-thousands of %, why would we ever care about something like open when the vast majority of time it's going to end up burning everybody? Well, obviously we wouldn't, you know? What do I think about Grab? We can take a look at Grab. It's a little, I see what you're looking at here. It's just not really for me. This would really need to tighten up at the highs, but it does look good. I don't know, FIGR, is that one that we looked at? I feel like I've seen it. Oh no, I don't really want this. No, I don't want this. What the hell did you do? Let's see. So again, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. As I've proven to you time and time again, there is nobody else out there in the trading or investing space that is doing what we are doing with LTMP. It is something that the trading community and investing community has never seen before. Just think about the results that I've shown to you guys. So just over the last, like, I don't know, month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, all year, all the time that we've been doing LTMP, and having the group in its current form. Again, like, I can just take a look through community gains right now and just kind of give you guys a little bit of a outline. So we have Vito over here. He is up on his account, 137% in the last week. We have 971% on Intel over here, 295% Palantir. What's this? That's Intel, 859%, great work. And then the big one, 3,500% on Intel, 667% Intel. Then Daniel sent me probably the third biggest percentage gain that I have seen this year on in LTMP. The first one is an 8,000% trade on Datadog. The second one is 6,300% on Kohl's. And this one right here, 5,000% on IONQ that he just got filled on today. Guys, that's like turning, what is that? I mean, 20 bucks into what? A couple thousand? It's ridiculous. So again, I'm gonna throw the link in here for you guys in the live chat. You guys make sure you like the stream. This is the best kept secret on YouTube with like our abilities in the market here. It is ridiculous. There's nothing else like it. There will never be anything like it ever again once I stop doing this. So make sure you take advantage of it while it still lasts. Intel was a weekly setup that we were talking about on the streams a lot over the last few weeks. But there's gonna be more. There's gonna be more. Coin ripping. I'm having a good day today. Guys, I'm trading so like haphazardly today. Like, I'm not looking to take a whole lot of risk. Like, I'm just kind of cruise control. Like I told you guys, I'm cruise control until the end of the week here, because we need to see how the market's going to react to what we heard at FOMC. Now, is that going to stop me from taking really, really high quality setups? No, I'll still trade them, but I'll just trade them a lot smaller, you know? So IBM leaking a little bit there. RZLV, you're late, I think. Yeah, you're late. So this was one that we were talking about a lot on the streams on this break right here at $3.57. I said it's not really one that I want to go for, but the setup is there. So again, if I highlight something for you guys in the 3s and the stock is currently trading at about 7, obviously I'm not going to like it up here. Nuzio, so the main reason why everybody and why LTMP works so well, and I can showcase to you guys these massive multi-hundred and multi-1000% trades every single week, is because the entries that we're getting are the first point in which the stock can make a massive move, and we're selling when when I don't want to say, let me think of a better way to say this. When most retail investors, let's say, are looking to buy, we're selling into them. You know? So, coin looking just phenomenal over here. Guys, congratulations. This is just insane. Welcome to all the new members. We have a lot of you guys coming in there, nailing these trades. It's just unbelievable to see. First things first, too, make sure when you guys do hop in, you're looking at the links and you're a little lost. I don't know. Why would you be lost? It's still LTMP. It's still LTMP. But again, once you guys hop in there, just connect your Discord account to your WAP account. You'll be good to go. That'll let you right into the Discord. I'll send you the start here message. You'll go through all the course curriculum videos, ask me questions if you have them, and then you're good to go. Fig, let's look, but I don't think so. Figma. It's actually interesting. So this is one thing that I've talked with you guys about before. Andrew, you've done this before. I'm not looking at those stocks, sorry. I mean, if it's the same one that I'm looking at, HYDTF, OTC, that's running. There you go. I'm not touching this, but good for you. But this is the way that you play IPOs, guys. You let everybody act like a complete moron up in here, lose a bunch of money, and then we wait for the basin breaks to form. It's the first one? Yeah, so Volcanics, it's also, I keep posting it in the live chat for you guys. It's pinned to the top of the live chat too. Yeah, prices are going up at the end of the month. If you got so I've told you guys this before, the prices for LTMP are eventually going to be $199 a month. But the price that you join at is the price that you stay at. It never goes up on you. And you guys get 50% off your first month with code September. So there you go. Coin looking for 340. Bing. Thanks, guys. Whoever pointed that out in Market Talk earlier, that's looking really good. I had alerts on it, but I mean, you guys pointed, like, this was one that we were still looking at. Looks really good here, though. First target on coin. You've got this gap fill. What is it? It's like 377, but you've got this level here, 382 as well. So either of those are good for coin. Thank you for your answer. No problem. No problem. That's what I'm here for. 3 likes away from 50. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Community gains, what do we got? Romeo. Last 5 days, made 11 grand. Attaboy. That's the LTMP way. Attaboy. Looking good, guys. Imagine that. I mean, we have people making 20 grand in a trade. We have Romeo up 11 grand. And this is not with like big positions, guys. This is with small positions. Like, think about it. I've handed out 7 10x trades in the last week, and one of them was 3,000%, almost 4,000%. One of them was 5,000%. You need one of those to change your trading performance for the entire year for the better, and there's been 17 of them in the last 2 months that you missed. Coin breaking 340 would be interesting. This level up here, 345, is a very interesting one to me today, if it gets up there. Market selling and IBM holding and coin going there. I really like that. I feel like a lot of people are like, he sounds cocky. It's like, you go find somebody else that's handed out 17 10x trades in the last 2 months. 7 of them in the last week. Find them. Go tell me where they are. I'll listen to them. There's coin over 340. Boom. Boom, ladies and gentlemen. Ripping. Ripping, ripping, ripping. What am I up on these right now? 41%. That's pretty good. It's pretty good, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions? Are you convinced yet? Or you want me to see me do this 10 more times? I say this to you guys every day. Every day. TikTok's gonna be crazy today. Yeah, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and TikTok too. I'm trying to get a lot more active on those. You don't like Circle? What are my thoughts? Let me take a look. I don't hate it. I really don't hate that. I mean, it's not perfect, but I mean, that could be a fun one. It's like another one of those IPO bases. It isn't cocky if you can do what you say. That's true. Ooh, I'm up some money today. And I'm not even trying. I'm not even, I literally told you guys today, I was like, I don't really want to be doing a whole lot into the end of the week. And I'm taking really small size positions and they're still ripping. This is insane. Nobody has ever seen what we're doing in LTMP before. The trading community's never seen it. They don't know what to do with themselves, guys. Think about it. Think about, like I said it before, it's like everybody's going to be looking at this, be like, there's got to be something wrong with this. Nope. Thanks, Vix. No problem, Dawn. Well, yeah, Dawn, if you have really short dated, I mean, 345.48 is going to be your first target there. Whew, what a day so far. We thought it couldn't get any better. Here it goes. Last 5 days now at 12K. I love it when we're careful in the markets. Yeah, that is also another thing. I feel like when we get careful in the market is when the giant gains happen. You know, I want to take a look at where's QS. How's that doing? Is that still going well? Yep, there's QS. There's QS. That's another one from the watch list I gave you guys last night. Bing! You got a 1-to-1 risk to reward there about. Nice. Market selling here. You actually have, you got something here. You guys got something here. What do you have? There's something. So we'll see what happens with coin. We'll see what happens with IBM. They could fail. They still could fail. But like I always tell you guys, the outcome of one individual trade is meaningless when every single trade I outline has the potential to run multi-hundreds and multi-thousands of %, as you guys have seen time and time again. And we're just going to keep doing it. It is not going to stop. Coin is just ripping. I love it, guys. I don't think you guys understand how effing easy this is. You think the hard part is calling out the 1,000% trades? No. The hard part is actually like reeling you guys in to be like, all right, stop. Everybody relax. Nobody touch anything today. QS ripping. Oh my God, there it goes. Yeah, that's a really good one there, guys, too. See, I forget if that was one that I found or Alfie found. I thought it was one that I found, but I don't know for sure. No, I think it was an Alfie ticker. I could scroll back and look, but looks great. If it was Alfie, good for you. That is one of the best things about the group too, is like we just have a hive mind of people just hunting for these. I'm gonna find like 85-90% of the most epic trades that you have ever seen in the market, but then you guys that are hunting too are gonna find the next 15% of them. We see everything. We're like eagle eye. Think about, if you could, like, think about, I want you guys to think about all of the insane trades that have fired off in the last 2 months, and I could probably tell you that we've been on every single one of them. Yeah, okay, so it was an Alfie ticker. All right, cool, nice. Coin new highs over here. Dawn, you should be really close to 100% if you're not already. Yeah, so again, I'll throw the link to LTMP in the live chat here for you guys. You guys have, what, like a week and a half left to hop in before the prices go up again. So there you guys go. Get 50% off your first month with code September. Join the winning team. Nobody else is doing this. I've never seen a group of traders do what we've been able to accomplish here. Never seen it. Nobody has. Coin 342, Jesus. Oh my God, this is great. IBM fading a little bit there, but I still like that. I'm gonna hold it. Coin! We've had some dirty trades on coin in the past, ladies and gentlemen. Don't chase it now. You're late. That's why you gotta be an LTMP. These are the types of days, and we've had a lot of them recently, where I almost get overwhelmed at being like, how am I going to post all of these? Like, how? Let's see. IBIT? No, I cut that when Bitcoin, like I said to you guys, I was like, if Bitcoin hits that low, I'll just cut it. Which it did. And I'll just take back what they were only down like 10%. That's the beautiful thing about what we do in the market too, guys. It's like the losers are going to be maybe between like 10 and 30%, and the winners are all 500, 1,000, 5,000%. The margin for error is huge. Stop day trading. What are you trying to lose money? Not you, Michael. I'm just saying in general, you know. Adrian, on which one? Oh, are you talking about coin? This 345.48? If you're up 100% now, I mean, you could trim them. I have October's on this. Not a big position though, but as you guys have seen many, many, many times. Wait, who is still is anybody still holding Palo? Palo from the, what was the breakout? It was here. I think there was 2 Palo trades. First target was 200. I mean, you're going towards the second one right now at 210. That's great. QS. Bing. All right, coin losing it a little there. What's going on with the market? We'll see. TSM daily. That looks kind of interesting. A little wonky, though. A little wonky for me. I don't really want that. My main goal for this, for the rest of this week, guys, is to just set ourselves up in LTMP to do this yet again next week. So how many 1,000% trades did we have this week? Well, technically Tesla was last week and this week, so we count that as one. Baidu was the 1,000%er. Intel was 1,000. So we've had 2,000% trades this week, 2 new ones. Are you convinced yet? Are you ready to make some money, or you want to keep struggling, guys? One contract was 30% of your account. Bitcoin was a good break. Yeah, I mean, you can just take that now. I mean, you're up, like, if you think about it, like, you're up way too much. Like, you're really, IBM fading there. We'll see. I might cut that. Take a tiny gain on it, move on. Again, though, you guys know I like to cut things very early, and it usually comes back to bite me. So do whatever you got to do with IBM. Not the biggest fan that it's selling off there. Coin is looking so freaking good, though. Oh, my God. I wish I bought more. I wish I bought more coin. You know? I wish I bought more. It's ripping. Is this going to be our 8th 10x trade? It looks like it could be. Like, Vix, last May I took 50K from your 401k when I joined LTMP. I now stand at 94K. Best trading group ever. That is unbelievable, Michael. Congratulations. Congratulations again, guys. The results in here, the types of trades that we're handing out as consistently as I am, nobody else has the ability to do this in the market. That is why LTMP is as successful as it is. So at this point, you either see it or you don't. If you miss this price, this low price that it's currently at right now, you're just going to have to pay a higher price next month when it goes up yet again. Nova forever. See it hitting all-time high? I hope so. That'd be great. The thesis is there. I'm getting rid of IBM. No thanks. No thanks. I'll hold coin. I'm getting rid of IBM though. I don't really want that now. It could go, it could not go, but again, on a week like this, so I'm out of IBM. Yeah, I'm out of it. It was still slightly in the green, just because of the spread. But again, on a week like this with FOMC and the market still digesting everything, I'm not letting anything. If it's gonna run up like that and come back down, I literally could care less if it goes all the way back up. I don't want it. Mara's moving? Yeah, well, all the Bitcoin names are moving, so I'm out of IBM. Took a small gain on IBM. Yeah, it's fine. I'm out of it. No thanks. Add it back to the cash balance with a little bit extra, and we'll see what happens with coin. New highs. Yeah, 46% on coin right now. Oh, that's good. So IBM was good. Coin's better. You know? Still a great day today. Holding until it breaks VWAP. That's fair. Yeah, I mean, again, you guys can manage the trades as you see fit. You guys know how I like to manage them. If we're going to see all of that volatility and drama, I don't like drama. Now, again, it depends on sizing. If you're sized for 0, hold it. Just like Baidu. Like, you guys saw me cut Baidu for like a 60% gain, and then it ran 2,000%. But then I nailed PDD and Tesla and all the other ones, you know? Coin new highs. Bing, bing, bing. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be here all week. Yeah, I'll throw the link to LTMP in here for you guys again. Here you guys go. QS, did it pull some nonsense? Did QS pull some nonsense? Oh my God. Boom. Who else is doing this, guys? Who else? Who else? Name one. Name one person that even comes remotely close to what we're doing in LTMP. Even remotely close. Name one. VWAP is volume weighted average price. Coin new highs. Dawn, you should be up over 100% coin free. There you go. Holy QS. I might tweet. I'm going to probably tweet that right now. What's that? Coin, holy shit. You guys, I'm gonna start getting real mean over here. You gotta be an absolute moron to not be an LTMP right now. An absolute moron. Like, what are we doing, guys? Oh, QS ripping. Hold on, I gotta get this screenshot over here too. I'm gonna tweet this out. That's another good one. Bing. Holy coin. I don't know what else to say. Like, what do you guys want? What else do you guys want from me? What else could I possibly do? Like, I've made with coin 35% on your account. Ridiculous. Like, what else do you guys want from me? What else? What are we doing here, guys? What are we doing? This is so wild. IBM's back up. I don't really care, though. What are you doing? I'm gonna start getting mean about it. Like, what, are you stupid or something? Like, I don't know. Ankles. What's up, Mr. DK? How you doing? QS ripping. Coin ripping. IBM cut for a little gain. What else? Intel 3,500%. IONQ 5,000%. Like, give me a minute, guys. I gotta go grab my energy drink. Give me 1 minute. Just give me 2. Hit the like button on the way in. Why don't you? All right. Jeez, guys. This is why the prices for LTMP are going at $199 a month. Don't miss the low rate. Because it's not... you guys have had a year to hop in here and do this. QS, Ripper. I tweeted that out. Make sure you guys go engage with that tweet there. I'll throw that link in the live chat here, too. I love a cocky Vix in the morning. What do you guys expect me to do? Sit here and be like, no, no. Victory lap. Victory lap. Coin. Fucking ripping. Still holding Docu. I think that's another good one too, isn't it? Yeah, Docu. Really good breakout right here from 82 as well. Jeez, man. Coin looking great. What am I up on these? 76%. Oh, man. Oh, brother. Here we go. I should go to the playground. I should go to the playground this weekend. I'm going to be such a nuisance on Twitter today. Or on Instagram and TikTok. Such a nuisance. What a week, guys. Hit that like on the way in. We got a lot of slackers on this stream here. Figure it out. Figure it out, man. QS, great move to start there. I mean, this is 1 to 3 RR at around 12. If you're in the share trade, go break even there. Figure it out, guys. Jeez. Yeah, very happy with my cut on IBM. Very happy with it. Made a little bit of money. It was basically break even. I think I made like $300 on the, like, me cutting IBM at break even. Dawn, great work, everybody. Yeah, so my first target on coin is gonna be, I kind of could use this. 365-ish, right around there. I kind of like that. Then have some further targets up in here. I like that. I like that. I kind of want to tweak coin too. Kind of want to tweet coin. Let me draw this out here. Didn't I tweet about Bitcoin as well? Hold on. I thought I tweeted about Bitcoin recently. I'm pretty sure I did. Didn't I? I said to watch coin and everything. Hold on. I think I mentioned coin. Let me see. It's got to be here. No. See, sometimes it won't let me search. Yeah, here we go. There it is. Yeah. Let's see. We'll get Dawn's. Dawn, you're getting highlighted on Twitter. We're victory lapping. Here we go. Another round of victory. Shocking. Surprise, surprise. Bing. There you go. There's another one. Up 147% on coin, up over 350% on Intel on multiple staggered option positions that expire in November, up over 300% on RGTI November options. Attaboy. You did with iBit? Yeah, I just had to cut it yesterday. It just didn't. Again, I had to follow the rules. But yeah, there's the coin tweets out there now. Dawn, there you go. We're highlighting Dawn's gains over there. I mean, I'm up nicely on it. I can tell you now. I mean, it's coming back down, but that's fine. I mean, I'll tell you what I'm up on it currently. I am up 65% on my coin. I'll throw the link to that tweet here in the live chat for you guys too. There you go. And it's quote tweeting the other one I called Bitcoin with. Oh, rude. IBM, that was rude. See, this happens a lot to me specifically because like all size, like even though it was small, I was like, I don't really want to deal with the drama. It's right back up. That's why I was like, you can cut it, you can hold it, you can do whatever you want. Michael, I think you're still in IBM. You're waiting for view up. Where's Novo right now? Hold on. QS looks great. Where's Novo right now? That's still great. Actually, I'm curious to see what some of the big accounts are up. Oh, guys, I have been on what I would like to call almost a generational run recently. And it's not going to stop. Following on TikTok? Perfect. Yeah, make sure you guys are all following me on TikTok and Instagram, ShortTheVix1. Drop comments, drop likes on those when you see them. It helps me get the word out about what we're doing. TikTok and Instagram are a little weird these days because, like, I don't know. I guess people don't want to learn how to make 5,000% on their money. I don't know. I mean, I would if I was them. 18% on IBM. Nice. Yeah, I just took the money back. I think I was up a little bit on them. Nothing. This account's at new highs today. Oh my God, guys, this is just like money. Yeah, IBM back up. So that, I mean, I'm probably going to regret cutting that, but that's okay. Like I said with IBM 2, when it hit today, I literally could just go back. What did I say on it? It was, where is it? I know I said something about it with like caution. Hold on, where is it? 1014. Oh, here we go. There's IBM. It's a volatile one. Be careful. Keep your sizing small for the rest of the week. That would have enabled you to just stay in that one if you wanted to. Still in IBM? Nice. Nice. Like, yeah, guys, I'm not going to trade every single one of them perfectly, and if they're going to screw around like this, I'm not really going to be that interested in holding it, but it's fine. Still up very nicely on coin. Like, I'll hold the winners, but if we see drama on any of those, I just cut them. Technically, still made money. But to me, that's basically a break-even trade. Let's see. Are you guys engaging with the tweets over here? Yeah, thanks, guys. Appreciate it. CMG Basin. Wow. Fuck it. Yep. Darn. A little oopsie on that one. That's okay. Not really. That's not really basing. That's got a flat line from here. Yeah, IBM right back to the highs. Damn. Up 20% overall on one of your portfolios today. Nice. Nice. So yeah, I mean, guys, the link to LTMP is at the top of the live chat. Don't miss it. Prices are going up at the end of September. This is going to be another significant price increase, so make sure you guys are locking in the lower rate before then. Did I mention RKT? Yeah, like 11. Where is it? 20. It looks good. Yeah, this is where I was outlining RKT for you guys over the last year. Yeah, this year. Oh, what do we got in community gains now? Uh-oh. World be free. Is that your first 1,000%er? Hold on. Is that your first 1,000%? Yep. Oh my God, dude. Congratulations. Intel, 1,060%. His first 1,000%er. Guys, once you taste what it's like to get your first 1,000% trade, it's the whole world opens up to you. It is just a different game. It is just a different game. Congratulations, guys. That is absolutely phenomenal. Hymns ripping again? Nice. Yeah, keep smacking that like on the way in, guys. I mean, I'm trying to help as many people as I possibly can doing this. Like, it's just, this is not going to stop. I'm just going to keep doing this for everybody. The sooner that you get in and adopt the LTMP methodology, the sooner you're going to be able to nail these big multi-thousand and multi-100% trades with us. IBM can still do it. I'm not a fan of it running up the way that it did, coming down. Again, I'm a little skittish this week just because, and I'm not really looking to do a whole lot. After FOMC here, so if I'm going to see a little bit of drama, I'll cut it. I do that a lot. Just how I trade. But for those of you guys that are just like, yeah, I'm going to hold it. Go for you. It's something that I'm always working on stuff too. Like, one of the things that I'm working on is just holding stuff. Think about all of the trades in like the last few weeks here that I missed because I was being too cautious. I had UNH that I gave to you guys. That was a 1,000%er that I ended up cutting early for a small gain. Baidu. That's another one. But then I come out and nail Tesla and Pinduoduo, you know? Things like that, so. The victory lapping today is going to be crazy. Instagram is going to be fun today. So is TikTok. I'm going to make those videos for you guys right after. Oh, where is QS? Wow, coin's fading and now IBM's ripping. That's annoying. Ugh. Rude. Sorry, we're still up very nicely today. Rude. Rude, IBM. I could actually make coin free, I think. I'm not gonna, but I could. I want to hold this. 365. That's what I want on coin. I can look at Oscar. No, that's a terrible chart. That's a terrible looking chart there. What a week, guys. We thought last week was crazy, and the week before that, we thought those weeks were crazy. And it just keeps getting better and better and better and better, and it's not gonna stop. Congratulations to everybody that has made that correct choice to hop in there with us. Change your trading performance for the better. It is just going to keep benefiting you. What are yields doing? Nothing. IBM kind of makes me a little frustrated, but whatever, man. I did not expect it to do what it did. Let's see. Yeah, darn. That's okay. You know why I'm not upset? Really? Because there's gonna be a bunch more. Like, it does look good though for those of you guys still holding it up here. It could still fade. You never know. You officially made 100% on shares on SoFi today. Nice. Nice. So yeah, you might have gotten that one a little late. QS, dude. Show of hands, who's in QS? We talked about that as being a better shares trade, but QS is starting to peak up here a little too. There's another one. That's probably, depends on the options and the expiration you got. Yeah, that's ridiculous there too, guys. Make it free on IBM? I mean, you could. It looks good. That could also, if the market starts turning up here, guys, IBM will probably get a burst over 263. And then I don't think it's going to get to 265.74 today, but if it does, that's first target. Yeah, QS, great one. Another good one. $6% on share. Nice. Nice, guys. Coin looking for maybe an attempt here up at these highs. That'd be nice. I'll throw an alert on it, see if it wants to get up there. It's struggling at this area. I'd like to see it push through. Again, my first target, 365.70. This one looks good to hold. Up 80% on QS. Zach, great work, buddy. Great work, guys. Great work. QS shares and IBM calls. Nice, 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 guys. Yeah, coin looking good. Yeah, still up like 65% on coin. Nice, I like it. It looks good. Obviously, I want to see it push. We can get the 350 today. Oh, that'd be fun. I'd be so happy. But yeah, I mean, you guys see the results of LTMP here. They're just gonna keep. There goes coin getting ripped down. That's no fun. And IBM's at the highs. Darn. Still looks good though. You guys see the results of this every single day. At this point, like I said in the beginning of the stream, the question is that's obviously not whether or not LTMP works. The question is how many of these epic trades are you gonna actively sit out for and not be an LTMP for? That's the question. You're going to have to go look yourself in the mirror and say, I had the opportunity over the last 2 months for the potential to nail 17 10x trades, and you didn't do it. And now you're listening to the person say that it's not going to stop, and now you have to make another decision. Prices are going up. 50% off your first month. Code September. Are you going to miss the next round of 10 of them? Because I'm just going to keep doing it. It's not going to stop. Like, with this market the way that it is right now, this is prime time. This is where, like, serious money is made. This is one of the best opportunities for trading in the market ever. Don't miss out. You'll be regretting that forever if you miss all the next round of these. You've already missed a lot. There's still time. There's gonna be a lot more. You started with 1,000 euros account 3 weeks ago. You're already up 53%. Fuck yeah. That's how we do it. Like, you've had everything in front of you that you could ever possibly want out of the market right in front of you the entire time. So I'll throw the link in here for you guys again. It's pinned to the top of the live chat. Use code September, 50% off your first month. Lock in the lower rate before prices go up. Remember, when prices go up for everybody else and you are already in, the prices don't go up for you. So let's see what happens with coin here. Lizard, there you go. That's the question. How many are you gonna miss? Is it the next? Are you gonna miss the next one? Are you gonna miss the next 5? Are you gonna miss the next 10? How many? How many are you gonna miss? What are you comfortable with missing? What's your pain tolerance here? What's your FOMO tolerance? So let's see. QS looking good. Coin moving back up. IBM looking good. Little disappointed that I cut that one. I honestly probably shouldn't have. But remember what I was saying going into the market today? I was like, I'm not really interested in doing stuff. So if things look good, I'll take them. If they continue to look good, I'll hold them like a coin. But like IBM, little drama, probably should have held it. But that is the one thing that I'm trying to get better at, is holding stuff through drama. Because the setups are so good, I should just hold them. Ooh, shop. I think this was another one. Was that a weekly break? Yeah. I don't know what that level is. Yeah, I don't know. I might have messed up an alert here. I don't know why I had that there. Market moving up. IBM looks, everything looks good, guys. Everything. We'll do day low. Pay attention to premium. because I'm sizing more aggressively into most of them, Michael. That's why. You guys know how I size them. And usually my discretion is going to keep me safe. That's usually how it works. But honestly, I should just follow the rules that I made most of the time and just hold. You're right on Palantir, not doing much. Yeah. Do you get calls 30 days out? The Greeks decay. Yeah, but you know who doesn't care about the Greeks? Me. Tell that to the 17-10x trades. You know the last time I looked at the Greeks was? Never. It doesn't matter. Oh, are you saying that the premiums? Oh, yeah. So that is, yeah, David. So one of the main reasons why I'll cut things, this is why. With shares, I won't. When I trade shares, guys, I don't touch anything. Because if I'm thinking about, so for IBM, for example, let's say that it were to, because we want the burst. That's a good point, David. It's just the concept of time decay is basically what I'm thinking about here. So IBM, I didn't think it was going to come back down here and then immediately just go foop, right back up. That's pretty rare. What I'm worried about, again, with these options is that, like, okay, you catch the breakout here at like 261, and there it goes. It runs, it comes back down, and then you sit there for a few hours. So when the stock ends up coming back up, your options aren't going to be up at the same amount if it gets back to that level. So you're just getting eaten into, you know? David, that's a good point. I thought you were just making a normal comment about the Greeks, and I just don't care about them. The overall concept of time decay, yes. But the actual number, no, I don't care. You guys shouldn't either. Community gains, what do we got? Zachy Chan, wow, this is great. This is awesome. This is just a testament to how great LTMP is yet again. Zachy Chan in the last month is up 196.49% on his total account. Any questions? Are you convinced yet? Because I'm just going to keep doing this forever. God, freaking IBM. Will the mastermind course be part of the subscription or be a one-time viable course? It's one, so it's one, it's not included. It's the one thing that I do once a year that's like, it's in addition to what it is. You can get it or not. It doesn't matter to me. You guys will get a lot of value from it, obviously. But it's not like, like most people, guys, in the trading space will be like, I'm going to run a mastermind. And it's just the same garbage that they talk about all the time. Yeah, IBM new highs. Congratulations, everybody that's holding that one. What the mastermind is that I do is it's a college level education in finance, financial literacy markets that I wish people actually knew. So in this one, there's going to be like no trading stuff in it. The reason why I included the trading stuff in it last year was because the course curriculum videos, when they came out, were still very new to everybody. That's the only reason why it was in there in the first place. This time around, it's going to be expanded a lot. So we're going to cover a lot of the same things, but we're going to expand deeper into them, and we're also going to cover more complex topics. It is a weird time of the year to do it, though, because we're going to dip into holiday season, so I'm going to have to make a schedule for it, too, to let you guys know, like, this is when we're going to be doing things. IBM, great move. I wish I held it. I didn't want, that's a mistake that I made, but that's okay. What's the affiliate link? Romeo, if you go on the actual WAP page, you should be able to scroll down to the bottom and it'll have like a link to do the to get the affiliate link for you. So like if you click the link at the top of the live chat and you scroll, I think it's at the bottom, it'll have like an affiliate section there for you where if you want to do that, you can. For those of you guys that want to like clip the funny things that I say on stream and like post them, if you do that, I will give you a 50% affiliate thing if that's what you want to do. I don't really care, but for those of you guys that are going to put in that work, obviously I'm going to make it more worth it for you, but everybody else, if you want to refer your friend in, it's 30%. Will the mastermind cost the same as the first one? Yes, but everybody that was in the, so here's kind of how it's going to be. Everybody that's not in LTMP, the price is the price. Everybody that's in LTMP will probably get a 30% discount, and everybody that was in the other mastermind is going to get a 60% discount. That's probably how it's going to work. Yeah, Christopher. So the key to that is size smaller. Because think about it, like with all of the big 10x trades that I've given out in the last month here, like you literally could go trade with $100 and rip it, you know? $200, $300, like on these trades, and just let the trades go. That is actually the key. So like I actually thought about this too, on like whether or not I want to start playing around with getting shorter expirations and then sizing them smaller, like way smaller, and then letting trades really rip. Because I was thinking about this the other day. I was like, how many of these trades, like when I nail them, guys, I freaking nail them. Like Tesla and PDD, like when I hit them, they're big time. But I could probably be in more of them. So Marvin, all you need to do, this is the one thing that happens sometimes. If you're doing it on mobile, sometimes it has issues. Try and go on desktop with WAP and connect it that way, and then log in to Discord on desktop. That's usually the fix for it. WAP just has a little bit of an issue with that sometimes. I don't know why. And then Marvin, if you have any additional problems, shoot me a message and send me some screenshots. I'll try and help you out. But usually the best course of action is to reach out to WAP support, and they're usually able to get it going pretty quickly. That's what we found is the issue for the few people that they're like, oh, connecting the Discord. Your Discord account just needs to be connected to your WAP account, because it automatically, when you sign up on WAP, will be like, oh, your Discord's connected. The invite, it's not like an invite. It'll just let you in, I think. Some stocks shorted to work better than others. Yeah, like I've thought about that. Like, guys, I'm always getting better too. Like, obviously, really good at this. But there's always little tweaks that I can make to make it a little bit better. The one thing that I was doing this year a little bit was getting a little bit more time. So I might start toying with that a little bit. So coin new highs, IBM looking, because like if I had a lot smaller size on IBM here, I wouldn't even think about it. I would just be like, oh, enter position size is your risk. I'll try that. Yeah, awesome, Marvin. Let me know. So this is the other thing too. Two things. One, if you have any questions on anything, usually just message me on Twitter or Instagram. I'm usually pretty quick to get back to you guys. The other thing is I will never answer a Discord DM. It doesn't matter if you tell me you DM me on Discord. I'm not looking at it because there's too many scam accounts on Discord that'll try and look like me. So in order for me to make sure that none of you guys are going to fall for those weird scams on Discord, I just say I'm never going to use Discord DMs, ever. So if somebody's messaging you and it looks like me, well, it's not me because I don't use Discord DMs. So coin, looking for new highs over here. What are these up right now? %70%, looking good. Great day today, guys. Great day. I'm having fun over here. You almost got scammed, be careful. Yeah, that's why I say it. I should probably add that to the start here message because all of you guys do read that. Just be like, oh, and is it in the start here message? It actually might be. I don't think it is. No, I'll actually add that right now. Oops, hold on. I actually don't know if I can do this. How do I don't know, because if I hit enter, it's gonna... Oh, I'll just put it down below. Hold on. I'll just put it down below. There you go. It's there. Make it in bold. It's right there. Automate a weekly announcement about that in the Discord. Well, I feel like a lot of people are pretty familiar with Discord at this point, and I say it enough. And you guys also probably should know the type of person that I am, that like I'm not gonna trade your Bitcoin for you. Like, it's way too much work for me. It's also illegal. My keyboard is going to start smoking soon. I actually type with my index finger. I don't type like... I bet it sounds fast. I'm just like... You know? SMR is ripping? Oh, are they moving? That's pretty good. Where's QS? Were we just looking at QS? Oh my god, guys, QS. Not you, you're a boomer. Boomer. Boomer alert. Oh my god, you guys are going crazy on Twitter. Thank you, guys. So, amazing day, guys. Amazing week. LTMP is the truth. I've been showcasing that to you guys each and every day, each and every single week. I'm going to keep showing you guys. I'm going to keep calling out the best trades in the market here. If you do, I'm telling you guys right now, the prices for LTMP, this next price increase, is going to be significant. Again, prices are eventually going to $199 a month. But do not miss this opportunity here, guys, to get in and lock in the lower rate and also get in at 50% off your first month with code September. Like I said before, it's like the question isn't if this works. Obviously it does. It's how many of these are you willing to just sit there and not take and miss. Hunter Simmons, absolutely epic. Up 70% on your account now in less than 2 trading weeks. Hunter, did you just join too? I think he did. I think Hunter's new. That's unbelievable, man. Congratulations. That's, again, like I say before, I say a lot, guys, like, we are doing something in LTMP that the trading space has literally never seen before. And people don't know how to react to it. They're like, wait, we can actually do this in the market. Yep, you can. GM, your account is up 200% in 2 months since joining. Thanks for my help. No problem, man. That's what I'm here for. That is what I'm here for. So here is the link to LTMP, guys. I'm going to throw it in there as we get towards the end of the stream here, which is right now. We'd love to have you in there. I can't wait for all of you guys to be the next success story. Again, 200% in 2 months, 70% on his account, 3,500% gains, 5,000% gain. I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on. I think people are getting used to those types of gains over here, which is very, interesting, because this is not normal. This is not something that anybody else in the market has the ability to do. It's just us. It is just LTMP. You couldn't get back in the WAP from the iPad? That's weird. That's weird. But, all right, guys. We are going to wrap it up for today. I'll see you guys in LTMP. If there's anything crazy that happens, obviously, I'll let you know. Unbelievable week. Oh, tomorrow's public live day. We are going to have so much fun tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. So much fun. So, guys, I'm going to be recording. First, it's going to be a TikTok video. Then I'll probably post it as a YouTube short and then Instagram. So be on the lookout for those. Make sure you guys are engaging with them. It helps out a ton, spreading the information about what we do over here. Joined 2 weeks ago and up 40% overall. That's unbelievable. Congratulations, guys. It is not going to stop. Shout out to all of you guys that have taken that leap and jumped in with us. I can tell you it's been very, very worth it for everybody. And it's awesome seeing you guys win like this. So, guys,